In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a card component in Figma. Cards are versatile, reusable UI blocks that can hold images, titles, descriptions, and a call to action. And by the end, you'll have a clean, responsive component you can drop anywhere in your designs. Start by creating the card container. Press F to create a frame, then set its size to something like 300 by 200 pixels. Give it a white fill, so your content is easy to read. Add a corner radius between 8 and 16 pixels to soften the edges, and apply a subtle drop shadow from the effects panel to lift it off the background. This frame is the base of your card, so keep it simple and tidy. You can always tweak the radius and shadow intensity later to match your design system. Next, add an image or thumbnail. Select the Rectangle tool by pressing R and place it at the top of the card. Apply an image fill or use a placeholder if you don't have final assets yet. Many cards use a preview image to set context, so size it to span the width of the card. If you want the image to feel integrated, match the top corner radii to the card's corners so everything feels cohesive. Now add the text content. Create two text layers, one for the title and one for the description. For the title, use a larger font with a bold or semi-bold weight to establish hierarchy. For the description, choose a smaller size with a regular or medium weight so it reads comfortably without overpowering the title. Keep alignment consistent and choose colors with good contrast for accessibility. Add a button at the bottom if your card needs a call to action. Something like "Learn More" works well. Use a pill or rounded shape to make it feel tappable and ensure the button color stands out against the card background while maintaining readable text contrast. To keep spacing consistent and make updates easy, use auto layout on the text and button. Select those layers and press Shift+A. Set the direction to vertical, spacing between 8 and 16 pixels, and padding between 12 and 24 pixels. This creates a flexible content block that resizes gracefully and keeps everything evenly spaced. Combine everything into a card frame by selecting the image and the text section, then press Shift+A again. You now have a responsive card layout with a clear structure and predictable spacing. Finally, turn the card into a component. Select the card frame and click Create Component, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows, or CMD+Option+K on Mac. You can now reuse this card across your project and quickly override the image, text, and button label as needed.